You're gonna see somewhere Dave Kinyeste. That not a conspiracy theorist talking, it's a congressional staff promising what is coming. 46 classified vidéos. Radar data. Thermal imagerie. Satellite photo. Underwater footage. And not just UFOs, moving between air and water like it's nothing. This isn't another Roswell story. This is happening now. For decades, UFO chase settled for blurry photo and shaky footage. But what if the real evidence isn't hidden in some farmer's attic? It's sitting in a Pentagon server, captured by military-grade sensor in crystal clear color? That is what Congress just demanded. 46 specific video containing radar tracks, thermal signature, satellite imagery, and underwater photography of objects transitioning between air and sea. No vague promise. No more waiting. Just 46 videos, and lawmakers using their authority to get them. 46 isn't a random number. When Congress demand exactly 46 videos instead of just any UFO footage, it means they know what they're looking for. Source said these clips show multiple USOs unidentified submerged objects being filmed at they enter and exit water. Objects that move seamlessly between air and sea, captured from multiple angles and sensor type. The precision of this request suggests congressional investigators have seen enough to know exactly what exists and where to find it. But why would lawmakers suddenly care so much about underwater UFOs? USOs aren't just a mystery, they're physics-defying. How does an object move at high speed through both air and water without being destroyed by pressure or friction? The footage Congress want allegedly show swarm of these objects, multiple USOs moving together in coordinated pattern. This isn't random. It's organized behavior underwater. Thermal sensor would capture its signature. Radar would track movement. Satellite imagery would provide context. But underwater camera? That means these objects were tracked for extended period, allowing military personnel to deploy specialist equipment. If this video exists as described, we are not dealing with random sighting, we are looking at a persistent presence in our ocean. This isn't one eyewitness account or a shaky cell phone video. This is radar data cross-referenced with thermal signature, verified by satellite imagery, and supplemented with underwater photography. Each sensor captures different aspects of this object behavior, creating a comprehensive picture that would be nearly impossible to fake. The fact that some clips are described as clear, full color suggests modern military-grade equipment was used, not the grainy footage of decades past. This level of documentation implies these encounters were significant enough to warrant detailed recording and analysis. But if this evidence is so compelling, why has it remained classified for so long? Congress demanding 46 specific UFO video containing multi-sensor evidence of USOs isn't just another disclosure story, it's potentially the most significant development in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The specificity of the request, the variety of sensor data, and the quality of footage described suggest military personnel have documented something extraordinary. When these videos are finally released, we may have to confront the possibility that we are sharing our planet and our ocean with something we don't yet understand. The question isn't whether UFOs exist anymore, it's what they want, and why they're here. If this story proves anything, it's that the truth about UFOs might be stranger than we ever imagined. Drop a comment with what you think this 46 video will show and stay tuned for our next video where we'll examine the most compelling USO encounter ever documented.